My demonstration for today is going to be how to make strawberries dipped in chocolate.
You guys will be needing are a pan or plate, some strawberries, some chocolate chips, a bowl and a spoon, and some compartment paper. You're first going to want to start off by washing your strawberries. Once you have finished washing your strawberries, you want to pat them dry with a paper towel. You want to put your chocolate chips into your bowl, about a nice amount. And then you're going to want to put your chocolate chips into your microwave for 10 to 15 seconds and take them out and check them and move around with the spoon. And you're going to want to repeat that until your chocolate chips have melted completely. Once your chocolate is nice and melted, you're gonna want to grab your compartment paper and your pan, and you're gonna want to grab a piece of compartment paper and put it on top of your pan. This will help your strawberries not to stick once you put them in the freezer and take them out. Now we're gonna start with the dipping process. You're gonna want to grab your strawberry from its little green leaves right here. And you're gonna wanna dip your strawberry going in, and you kind of want to twist and make sure it gets around, but you want to make sure you can still see some of the red. Then you're gonna drag against the side and put it on top of your compartment paper. You're going to want to grab from the leaves once again and go dip and kind of like twist, and then and move around, and then you can drag a little bit to take some of the excess off. Put it right on top of your compartment paper. And you're going to want to repeat this for however many strawberries you are wanting to make. Once you have finished dipping your strawberries into the chocolate, you're going to want to put them into the freezer for 3 to 5 minutes. Once your strawberries are nice and frozen, you're ready to eat and share with friends and family. And I hope you enjoyed watching me how to demonstrate how to make strawberries dipped in chocolate.